Now for this part, we're going to have example where we have an exponent that's inside the parenthesis and we're going to have another, meaning that it's basically a power of a power or power raised by another exponent. So let's take a look at the first example. We have inside the parenthesis x to the power of 2 over 3 now being raised to another exponent, which is the 4. So when you see a problem like this, meaning that a power is raised by another power, or basically an exponent raised by another exponent, that means that we're going to multiply the exponent together. So the only time you can multiply the exponents together is when it's power of a power or exponent raised by another exponent. So that means that it's going to be x to the power of 2 over 3 times 4. And so since we are dealing with fraction multiplied by a whole number, as I stated before, to make it work easier, it's just going to be the whole number times the numerator. So when we multiply the 4 to the numerator, which is the 2, we're going to have x to the power of 2 times 4, which is 8, and we still going to have that 3 as our denominator. So I finished multiplying. I check. There's nothing common between 8 and 3, so I cannot simplify the fraction any way further. So this is my final answer, x to the power of 8 over 3. In this example, we now have m to the power of 2 over 5 being raised by 3 over 4. So again, when you have power of a power or an exponent raised by another exponent, you're going to multiply. So we're going to have m to the power of 2 over 5 times 3 over 4. So that means that when we're multiplying with a fraction and another fraction, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we're actually going to have m, now for the numerator, 2 times 3, which is 6, over 5 times 4, which is 20. Now, like I said before, check if you can simplify the fraction. In this case, we can. So we're going to have m to the power of 3 over 10. So that's going to be my final answer. And let me box it up. So like I said before, always check if you can simplify the rational exponent. If you can, then do so. So again, my final answer is m to the power of 3 over 10, not 6 over 20, 3 over 10.